welcome to the
Short Girls Collective.
We do everything that tall girls do.
And more. Prosuma Momo.
Yeah, I did.
Why? What happened to your
It
relationship
smelled
with it?
really bad a few times.
Is it the same ones that have that?
And I
frozen
actually
momos
enjoy
section?
Nimtho momos a lot. Nimtho, Nimtho, is a place on Zomato. There's a place called Tulli Station.
There's a place called Ghatia.
How are people naming restaurants, dude? Who are these people?
Let's just talk about this. Wait, there are two of them. That
How are
just...
these people naming restaurants? How are people
एक
saying?
तूने वो देखा है भाई ऑर्डर कर ले.
नहीं
Oh
भाई.
my god, dude, ये कहाँ से मिल रहे हैं उन्हें restaurant? Like no one's spending
And
any
why?
time on it.
I think like it's Zomato's responsibility to filter some of this shit.
I think names they can't. They've just decided we can't.
I
do
mean,
this.
of course, it's not Zomato's
I just want you to
policy.
click better photos. There was a burger place that had a photo of a cake for over a year.
What the fuck?
And then I left a comment saying,
It was flying cakes.
I left a comment saying that
Ooh.
I love the cakes at this place, and the place was called Burger something.
Man, I love Zomato. I tried to get a job there. And
Zomato?
like 2-3 years ago, I was like, I love Zomato. I use it a lot. Let me try and get a job at Zomato. So I reached out to someone who works at Zomato, and the only response they gave to me was, "Oh, we don't put out job opportunities. You can only go through people you know, and you have to send a 1 to 2 minute video of what you do."
This is like when Facebook started.
And I'm like, are you dumb? That's why I'm reaching out to you.
That
You
doesn't
work
make
in
any
Zomato. You're my dad's friend's son.
Oh.
So I'm telling you that
But
tell
did
me.
did you introduce yourself as...
He knew me, everything. He knew my background and everything. So I literally reached out. Okay,
What the fuck?
let me apply for the job. Let me know what to do. He's like, send me.
That's not a Zomato thing. I think he just didn't want to do that report.
I don't know.
I mean, Zomato answer. Like, we need an answer.
I don't know.
Hartal start.
But I'm glad because then I did other stuff. But yeah.
I mean, you did far better stuff, and you definitely wouldn't have been ordering from Zomato had you been working at Zomato.
No.
Do you think people that work at Zomato actually order
Do you
from Zomato?
not think people who work at Blinkit order from Blinkit?
नहीं कर रहा है.
कर
Alright,
रहे
नहीं कर रहा है.
भाई.
Zomato की अगर मेरे को food policies and how sick have I gotten? Monthly I fall sick, by the way. Every month I fall sick with some stomach flu, some stomach bug. मेरे को कुछ ना कुछ होते रहता है, purely based on my Zomato orders. And I've realized it's always Asian kitchens, and I know exactly which ones to avoid and the high-end ones. Perch,
Okay, so name
McDonald's,
2-3 places we have to
Perch,
avoid.
McDonald's. What's the other one? Oh my god, I've forgotten its name. Why have I forgot? I've
Is
blanked.
it enoki and stuff?
Enoki, this one in Vasant Kunj, it's got like Asian food shit, Japanese stuff. Anything with shiitake mushrooms is going to be sick, so just stop ordering it. Perth said, I called the guy, I complained to him and I said, Bhaiya, मेरे लिए आप कैसे कर सकते हो? Manager को बात कर रही हूँ and everything. I was like, I ordered like a brief
But Perch can be a
sandwich.
one-time mistake, no? We all love Perch.
But why would the manager be like, हाँ, sorry madam, मेरा भी पेट खराब हुआ है और staff का भी.
That's weird.
How can you say
That's funny. That's a bit weird.
like,
So,
मैं
like what?
empathize कर रही हूँ उससे
Because
phone
we
पे.
love Perch, no? You love
I
Perch.
love Perch.
But you
I
stop.
don't love
but
Perch.
okay,
No,
fine.
I
but
take it back.
but you don't order food for them anymore.
I never order from Perch. I will
But
never
it's
order
like
anything with
it's like
dairy.
a good place for a first date.
I haven't been on a first date in like
Shut up.
4 years.
Don't
now.
talk like one of these places.
But like
people.
literally, I haven't gone. But if I were to go on a first date, I would definitely want like a really nice, comfortable environment. Low lighting. We want low lighting for sure. Music that's not too fucking obtrusive.
my
That's
God.
another problem that I've noticed.
Don't
Every restaurant
even let me
has-
name the places where it's like people don't want to talk there.
I know.
All these new high-end places.
Dude, your guy takes you to Dear Donna on the first date. Like, just don't do this anymore.
Run
That's a
away.
red flag.
Run
These
away.
are red flags. Dear Donna is a red flag. Kiki, Kiki is a... Unless he takes you to that tiny booth that she
Ooh,
knows
no one
about.
knows, no one knows.
But yeah, I mean, don't fucking go to these places with your guy.
Boca.
They're really not trying to get to know you. They're
Of
trying
course,
to get to know
they
you.
don't even let you enter.
What? No. Women are always allowed entry in India.
Not me. They're like, you look too casual.
Because you're always on that grey line.
You
no?
look too casual. You look too satisfied with your being. And I'm like, but I have the money. I'll buy your drinks.
Oh.
But they don't get it, no?
They don't
Listen, I'm
they don't
starved. I'm
understand
starved. Don't
independent
talk to
money,
me.
independently.
I'm starved. Don't talk to me. Like, just get me food.
पूरा setup तो यही था talking का.
नहीं ना, but please कुछ खाना ऑर्डर करते. मेरे को कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. La Kitchen.
नहीं,
Yo
that's
Tibet.
more-
Yo Tibet.
मैंने नहीं order किया Yo Tibet से.
Grub Pub.
तूने तेरी settings क्या है? Yours
Momos.
is momos.
Right now.
Wait, इसकी setting momos है.
No, no, no.
मेरा 4+ है and I haven't
चल
made a
ठीक है.
distinction.
I'll just do it. Rating 4+.
Just 4+. You can also do great offers.
I just wanted to
if you're trying
quickest,
to be
no nearest.
economical
No, I'm
about
not
things.
doing great offers.
1 hour later.
So Delhi is big on momos to
Huge
the
on
point
momos.
where NDTV or some guy on Z News,
He flipped. He talked about how many momos we're consuming a day. How many momos are you
it was
consuming a
like
day?
per family per week.
You're consuming around 500 momos.
No, it was like 2,000 crore as an Indian number.
That's our currency. We're going with momos now as a currency.
Like Indians in total.
I
like-
think we just got cool enough to start calling them dim sums. For the longest time, we called them momos, and the minute you start earning your own,
There's
you
no
call them
difference,
dim
right?
sums.
They say that the dim sum skin is just more
Thinner.
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 What does
But,
that even mean?
Like if you zoom in on this precious piece of INR, then you do get to
Let me
know-
try. What is it? So this is the paneer momo from Bro Momo.
Hmm.
What this name? Bro Momo sounds really lazy.
So that's the reason why I never ordered from Bro Momo for years, and then finally one day
dipping
I
it in
started
all the
really
fucking
looking.
sauce.
Go dunk it in properly.
No,
you
no,
need
no,
to
no,
smother
no.
it.
It's fucking spicy, dude.
Okay, so I really like smothering my momos with it. But should I eat one? This one. You've gone for the chicken one. I'm going for the paneer.
No, I've gone for the paneer one.
You went for the paneer one. So you have to smash it in there. That it just doesn't make any sense if you order momo because it's so fucking bland. You need all the oil.
Definitely doesn't taste like a dim sum, whatever that means.
Look at this guy.
Mm.
This momo has done everything right.
Mm.
Although you're supposed to dunk it, ना? कैसे खाते हैं?
ऐसे खाने हैं.
Is this the broth
This
that
is,
you've been
this
looking
is
for?
better than Golgappa pani. It's like Asian Golgappa pani.
Oh my god, this is what I mean when I want soup.
Look at me, my eyes are tearing.
Oh, let's zoom in on that. I wonder where you got that makeup done from. Oh my god, it looks so professional.
Okay, so the paneer momos were like fine, 7 on 10. This is
I've
the
got paneer everywhere.
fuck. I'll just try the non-veg one. And what is it that you ordered and why hasn't it arrived? Because
Oh my
we
God, I
ordered at the
from
same
Taco
time.
Bell. It's been 20 minutes. No, it's been 40 minutes now.
So then what
We're
happened?
still fucking delayed. It says the order is on its way. It's not happening, which is why we've ordered our different snacks. But I mean, you get a coupon. I'll get some 80 rupees off. They fucking switched it up. It was 120, then it became to 100, then it became to an 80, and sometimes all I get is a 50 rupees off coupon.
तो बोल ना उसको बोल. Chat
But-
support को बोल.
But तेको पता है क्या? There's a trick to this.
What's
There's
the
a trick to
What's
this.
the trick?
The trick is order in a chini. No one knows where the store is. They can't figure it out because they quickly go past, right? They take that left and they go past and they have no idea where this place is. It's a black hole. Order in a black hole, you always get a coupon for whatever rupees off. So every time I order here, I always never get it off in Vasan Kunj, never get it off in Hoskas. It's a chini. That's
Why
another
don't you
reason.
write to chat support and let's see what happens?
Man, the bots.
I mean, this is real life.
ठीक है, let me write. क्या लिखूँ मैं उन्हें? They be like, we've already solved your problem.
How come? It's been saying 14 minutes since 30 minutes.
No, but the guy is actually on the way now. Yeah, he's on the way.
So how are you rating Bro Momos? Did you try the veg one?
Is that a veg one? I thought both
Is
are
Bro
paneer.
Momos coming in your...
You know you've ordered 2 paneer momos, right?
No.
It says paneer and paneer. I've had 2
No,
paneers.
baby, it says Darjeeling style.
But Darjeeling is just this soupy stuff, you know? Yeah.
It's also...
Veg Darjeeling style momos bracket chicken. इसका क्या मतलब है यार?
I want to show that. Even though we're loving the momos, it says veg Darjeeling style momos chicken. What the hell?
Prasuma के साथ ही होता है. I bit into chicken. I bit into chicken with Prasuma. I bit into chicken with California burrito. I have bit into chicken with McDonald's. Everyone fucks up. And at some point, they owe me compensation. Give me my money, honey.
Stop.
Okay.
We're done
I'm
with the
done with
review.
the momos.
No, but like, do you want to just wrap the review up? Is it in your order again or never order again?
Order again depending on my hunger level.
Even if they've said veg chicken momos.
But they wrote bracket chicken now.
Okay.
I know I'm not going to fall for that. That said veg momo straight. So bro momo is like a good 8 on 10. The skin makes you feel like it's a hearty momo. It's left you with something. It's not just a dim sum that dissolves on your tongue. It's a good, heartfelt, made by an old Tibetan auntie trapped in a kitchen because she can't go back to Tibet because Tibet is still not
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet, free momos. So 8 on 10 from my side. Your side? I don't know how the chicken worked, but someone's fucking finished it. So I guess it was.
8 on 10 nahi, 7 on 10 from my
Yes,
side.
he bol rahi hai. Yes, he bol rahi hai. She loves it. Nahi.
Nimto, next time I'll make you try.
Okay, I haven't had that one yet. But this broth is the broth of magic. This is what I would like to
10 on 10 broth.
bathe myself in. Marinate me in this fucking broth, man.
Yeah.
I want to live in this broth. Make a little tiny
Woo!
houseboat on this broth. Go from here to Kashmir. Never been to Kashmir.
One eternity later.
Finally! Taco Bell is here!
The delivery coupon.
Oh my god,
Get out of here.
that took
gone.
1 hour, dude. I already hate them.
No, I can't use
I
that.
already dislike them. I don't know why we're reviewing Taco Bell. Who
Do you
wants
wanna
to
check-
review Taco Bell?
Me. Do you want to check how much I got?
What do you like about Taco Bell anyway?
I didn't till like a close associate introduced me to Taco Bell recently, and since then my life has just not been the same. Chalupas and tacos and burritos
What's
and
chalupa?
I don't know, man. It's a dirty word in Mexican.
So my only one observation about Taco Bell.
क्या हो सकता है ये क्या ये तेरे को लगता है
What
लेटर
is
है
it? What is it?
It's letter from Mexico.
Oh my god, it's a divorce like paper. They've literally sent it like a business thing.
They have.
It's a fax. They faxed it to you.
They couldn't even be bothered to cut this properly.
अच्छा मेरे
vegetarian
मेरे को भी आया है fax. Ooh.
Oh, get it.
What is it?
Wait.
What is it? Oh, they put the dots.
Okay, so I've ordered one quesadilla.
Quesadilla?
I've ordered a chalupa. because
उन्होंने
they
तेरे को
requested
कैसे दिया
one.
कैसे दिया?
Quesadilla. Wait, let me check what my order
Bestsellers.
was.
Fuck that.
How is nothing recognizable? They all look the same, dude.
Yeah.
They're all roti smashed together. Wait.
Can I bite into one?
Yeah, I think your one is chicken.
I
So
think
you
this
can
is
also
chicken.
have one. You can also have one. You can also have one. Okay, this one's a cheese quesadilla. And it's got nothing but just cheese in it. Over layers of cheese. Is cheese one-dimensional? We'll just find out.
What is one-dimensional cheese?
This, it's not nice.
It's really bad. Look at it. कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें.
ये chicken है. Where's the chicken? Where's the beef?
Where's my lettuce?
Where's the beef?
Anyway,
Let's
so
move
I
on to
think
this one.
that Taco Bell and McDonald's buys lettuce from the same place.
Oh, and Burgerama.
Oh yeah, and Burgerama.
Burgerama is also buying the same lettuce. They're buying the same buns because it literally smells like McDonald's when you get the package. This is something I discovered earlier on, and since
Maybe
then,
do you think
I'm a
Burgerama
changed
just
man.
like goes somewhere and buys like a spray,
I don't
which is
think I
like a
made the
McDonald's spray, जैसे cocktails में भी डालते हैं ना
rest.
sprays.
Yeah.
So maybe McDonald's
In the
like,
bag. Yeah, 100%. That smell can't be replicated.
it's really bad. I can't even eat it.
This one?
How did Taco Bell even make it to India with like such amazing quality?
Taco Bell, where is everything? Where are you? In this little slice, ये कहाँ है यार? कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पे.
My
And
10-year-old
order
nephews
was for
makes
like
a better
400.
paratha at home.
This is just not good.
You
I
know?
think I ordered the wrong thing. I should have
You
ordered
did.
something else. There's something else that I ordered
Bro,
last time.
Momo has one. So like Taco Bell has just joined your top 4 places to never order from.
Depends if I shit tonight.
Which is okay. What are the top 4 places to never order from?
Perch,
For because shiitake mushrooms are bad.
they're really bad. McDonald's, if you order middle of the night, we had the food poisoning discussion. So unless you want to shit for the rest of your life and get hives, don't order from Perch. Cheese, anything to do with dairy. McDonald's, if you're ordering middle of the night, because I have literally an email correspondence with the McDonald's branch head who has promised me a party offer.
Oh
To
god.
call him directly and be like, if you want more McDonald's orders, we'll help you out.
No way.
We're so sorry we made you shit.
No way.
After that, there is that Japanese place in Vasant Kunj that I can't remember the name of. Again, same. Ordered a bowl of shiitake mushrooms and they fucked me up. Inoki, the same thing. Ordered a bowl of shiitake mushrooms and other things, fucked me up. So maybe just don't be a vegetarian.
Don't be a vegetarian, but there's one place I've counted on for the last 5-6 years.
Starving.
And it's Blue Takai and it's always been good. So yeah,
Greener.
they're good. Oh, Greener's always been good. The quality is always nice.
Greener's
Sometimes
like my Rajma
it's a
chawal.
bit slow, but yeah, their quality is amazing.
They're really taking the slow and slow cooking really, really well.
They've really taken the slow and slow cooking. These are really bad, baby.
And so it's not this order. The one that I had blew my mind. It was a burrito, I think.
Should
It
we
had
wrap
the
it
right
up?
amount of rice. Wrap. Should we wrap it up?
Should we wrap it up? Should we wrap it up? I think that's all from us on Zomato.
Yeah, Zomato disappointed us, but gave us an 80 rupees off coupon. So that's going to be another segment for this.
Yeah. Season 2, we'll talk about their gold offer that they bought in and then they took out and then they bought in again. Zomato Gold.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.